Hey, what's up, guys? Today's video is disaster detail on the inside of a semi-truck. I would say, in my opinion, that semi-truck seats are definitely going to be more dirty than car seats. I mean, you got the exception to the rule. Some people are real slobs, but these trucks are in and out of dirt pits, in dumps, hauling asphalt. You got diesel on your pants. So these seats take abuse, and you're going to see just how much abuse they take when I start extracting the water out, and it looks like chocolate milk. I'm using all-purpose cleaner cut 4-to-1. I'm using Gliptone Ultra Cleaner in this video. I got a DeWalt battery powered cordless drill with the white drill brush head on it, the soft one. And we're going to get to extracting. I'll come back and do another voiceover in a little while. I'll let you guys enjoy this chocolate milk time. All right, so I had to slow this clip down just to show how much dirt is coming out of these seats. It is disgusting. The wet dry vacuum is an animal. It's the newer version, the NXT version, the rigid 14-gallon, 6-peak horsepower. It's a beast. It does a terrific job, and just using the pressure from the garden hose is adequate enough, because I have a Bissell Spot Clean. I think it's 3624. It's the popular one. I got that about a year ago, probably. It's a little one. It's not ever going to compete with this thing, but it worked well for what it was. And I got it on sale on Amazon for $89. Now I think it's like $160. And I also have a Vapor Chief 125 steamer with the carpet extraction hose kit that kind of basically turns it into a carpet extractor. It just wasn't like this. This does exactly what I want it to do. It puts enough water into it. And this is a 2.0 orifice 40-degree pressure washer nozzle I'm using that I just inserted into a 3/8 inch hose at the way end. So this is only garden hose pressure, maybe 40 psi, and it's way more than enough. I'm doing an experiment this weekend actually with different size orifice 40-degree tips, and I ordered some 65-degree tips from Amazon, which I think are actually going to be perfect. But I'm going to do another video on that when it comes. This is like chocolate milk. This is the difference between a semi-truck and a car. These things just get so filthy. a truck for work. How's that look? I'm putting water in the entire time right now. All I did was put all-purpose cleaner down first. Now I just wet it a little bit with the water. Right up. Who the hell drives this truck? All right, so now I'm going to show the back part of the seat, and I want to explain basically the same technique. Spray the all-purpose cleaner, agitate it with the drill brush. You don't need to go too crazy, but this is where you guys have to make a judgment call and use your own discretion so you don't pull or fray the little fibers that make up the seat cushion, or the cover to the seat cushion. The seat cushion's underneath here. The other thing you got to keep in mind, you know, someone who does this more, they're not going to be around you to teach you this. So you have to make sure you're not soaking the seat too much. A lot of times I'll do a pass with water, a pass without water, pass with water, pass without water. And the whole purpose of that is just so it doesn't get too drenched into the cushion, you know. When you're doing the back of the seat, sometimes you want to have the extractor upside down so the water drips right into the suction. Other times you're going to go horizontally across it. Right here I'm going down, I'm pulling top down. This is just something you got to experiment with and see what works the best with you. I try to extract until the water's clear, but this I probably used about 5 gallons of water on these two seats, and there's only so much you want to pump into a seat. You know, once the cushion is totally drenched, it might have a hard time drying out. You know, it's the reality of this. Look at that stuff coming out of there. Definitely one of the better extractors, I think, and you know, I'm happy if some other people see this and they're able to make an extractor for cheap. And these parts are so easy to replace. You go right back to Harbor Freight or Home Depot. You can buy an entire vacuum for 99 bucks with 2 extra hoses that has great suction. You know, I can't see you honestly needing anything more than this for a car. Yes, hot water will work better, but you can definitely use hot water, and you can make your own pump, which I'm going to do. It would cost you, to make a hot water pump, it probably cost you about $150 in that range. You can use a 5-gallon bucket, you get a coil heater that goes inside there, and a little diaphragm pump that pumps 3 gallons a minute, and that would be more than enough. You get the water at 120, 130. You know, you could probably bring it up to 150. Now you just want to go, no water, get as much of this water out of the seat as possible. A little bit of dirt up here still. It's right in the Kenworth logo. That's where it's hiding, bro. And this top part's still dirty.
I like to really just do one pass with the water and immediately a pass after. I feel like that's pretty good. Don't let it really get a chance to get into the underneath cushion and soak up too much. Plus there's still a little bit of soap in there. Amazing where the dirt hides, bro. Look. That's a bad spot right there. Your seat, this is going to be the dirtiest part, probably. See how these bad boys are. Same deal. All-purpose cleaner. I'll start at the top. So on the inside area, you're not going to be able to see this, so I'm just going to do it. This little end. There's a lot of dirt in there. Sorry, Tom. Suck right out of the jail. Vacuum the rest out. This one's good, this piece pretty good now. Right here. Shut that, hit that thing. Just hit the little red button. This is gonna be the water. See if that bubbles in here still. That is disgusting, bro. Dude, that literally looks like mud. Oh my God. That's from 2 seats at Kenworth. Bro, that's straight sewage water. Hold on. See, this is cool. It's got a little drain plug on it.
Don't dare to get up my ties.
Oh my God. Look at that.
All my ties.
All over your ties. That was on your seat. You were sitting on that shit.
I eat off them seats.
Oh my God. Dude, watch all the dirt that's stuck on the bottom of this. I gotta wash this out. Dude, there's a ring of dirt.